Hi friends, it's Miss Lauren. I have another spring book for you today. It is called Raindrops Fall All Around. In the country, in the town, rain is falling all around. Raindrops drip on leaves and flowers. Cars splash through the April showers. Raindrops keep a steady beat. Rain forms puddles in the street. Rain turns hillsides fresh and green. Raindrops wash the sidewalks clean. A flowing creek fills up with rain. Rain seeps down into the drain. Rushing water makes a path. Bluebirds take a little bath. Ducklings swim around the lake. Raindrops make the puppies shake. Lightning flashes in the sky. Thunder rumbles way up high. Time to say goodnight to rain. Raindrops tap dance on the pane. Rain clouds slowly pass on by. A rainbow spreads across the sky. The end. I hope my friends enjoyed the book today. Until next time, see ya!